This video tutorial I will explain how to install Microsoft Office software. I have already downloaded Microsoft Office installation package. Click on setup.exe file. The Microsoft Office 2013 is successfully installed. Click on all programs and here you can see the Microsoft Office 2013 is installed successfully. Click on this and here you can see all the products related to Microsoft Office 2013, Excel, OneNote, PowerPoint, Word, etc. Click on PowerPoint 2013 and here you can see the PowerPoint has started successfully. To activate the Office, you have to enter the email address that is associated with your Office subscription or your phone number. Else, you can enter the product key. Click on this and here you have to enter the product key. Product key is 25 characters and you can found in your product packaging. Now I am opening Word 2013. After providing a proper product key, I am opening one of the PPT file. Click on File, click on Account and here you can see the product is activated. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.